Is expected to approve the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine for kids as early as this week, but some parents are still worried.
WDRB's Christy Batista sits down with some doctors to answer your questions. Christy?
As we get closer to the approval for the COVID-19 vaccine for kids younger than 12, doctors here at Norton Children's say the risks of getting the virus are far greater than the risks of getting vaccinated.
COVID-19 is the 8th leading cause of death among children 5 to 11.
I'm tired of seeing kids getting sick. I'm tired of seeing kids in the hospital. And I'm tired of hearing about kids who died of COVID.
Now, an FDA advisory committee recommends a smaller dose of the Pfizer vaccine for kids 5 to 11, but parents still have concerns.
This has been one of the most, if not the most, studied vaccine in human history. We have, at this point, hundreds of millions of data points with everyone who has gotten it.
What about the long-term side effects?
That's a valid concern. However, there's no physiologic reason why we would think that there will be long-term side effects. Every other vaccine we have, if there's side effects, you see it within weeks to a couple months.
Some parents with 11-year-olds have concerns because those kids are right on the edge of the age group.
And right now, we know that the vaccine at its current dosing has been tested in 11-year-olds, and it's been proven to be very effective. There's no data to say that you need a different dosing or that waiting will be better. I think the most important thing to do is get your child vaccinated as soon as possible.
And they've also asked about the possibility of their kids developing myocarditis. That's the heart condition reported in adolescent males. Dr. Blatt says there wasn't a single case reported in the Pfizer trial for 5 to 11-year-olds.
It was such a small risk that the benefit of the vaccine far outweighed the risk of myocarditis.
And he added the benefit of the vaccine also far outweighs the risk of your kids getting the virus.
Now, the FDA is expected to make a final ruling on that Pfizer vaccine as early as the next few days. Live in Louisville, Christy Batista, WDRB News.